Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks, adjustable headrests, sync. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.